Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EARS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, although it's been a while since the last update. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I want to put into play here is this level of support that has made itself pretty apparent now after today's price movement, and that is down here at the 77-cent mark. Just out of curiosity, is there any other past times? Yeah, all right, so that makes sense on why 77 was acting as support. Why do I say it makes sense? Well, if you look back here, you can see this was the bottom portion of this consolidation area right here. And then once again, fast forward into today's price action, you can see right around there with the general vicinity is where the price did ultimately hold up. So 77 cents is that current key level of support. In the event the price cannot hold above there, the next level of support, so let's grab another line here, would be down here at this previous breakout point around the 65-cent mark. So 77 and then 65, two of the near-term levels of support right now. Now let's talk about levels of resistance. And the key level of resistance that was established today came about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into today, this pink line here was an ideal area of support. In fact, you can see it actually acted as support for a little bit right there. That is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, yeah, you want to see it act as support. But now that the price has dropped below it, this would be considered an area of resistance. I'm not saying the price can never get back up above it or anything like that. I'm just saying within the near term, that 200 period is going to be that key level that you want to keep an eye on. And the sooner the price can get back up there, the better. In the event the price can push through that pink line, the next key level of resistance after that would be the little brother of the 200 period. That's the 50 period up there, the purple line. So that would be the next key hurdle to keep an eye on. But one hurdle at a time, and that, like I said, first hurdle, the 200 period, and then you can turn your focus to the purple line right there, the 50 period. So all in all, yeah, not really the greatest day, but at least 77 cents held, which was that previous area of support. So we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.